Hey everyone, check out the Honic 5-piece Halloween Chipmunk Costume set that includes a red hat, chipmunk headband, tutu skirt, glasses, socks, and suspenders. The chipmunk headband is filled with soft, elastic PP cotton, making it comfortable and durable for all-day wear. The striped knee-high socks are made from quality polyester and cotton, designed to stay up without slipping while keeping your legs warm. The suspenders are soft, cute, and made from durable polyester, perfect for adding charm to your look. This costume set comes in 2 sizes and fits most people comfortably, making it ideal for various fun events. You can wear this adorable outfit to Halloween parties, cosplay events, stage performances, and carnivals to stand out in any crowd. Plus, it makes a sweet gift to share with friends and family for special occasions like birthdays and holidays. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.